Sphinx. I'm an 8th grader going to the Village Middle School in Houston, Texas. Annually, the Village School hosts Innovation Day, where students are given the opportunity to present new ideas. This year, I observed a real-life challenge in schools. Teachers are required to take manual attendance every single day. Administration also has to send parents when their students get a number of targets. I use my AI and Python skills to make this automated, so teachers can spend more time focusing on their lessons of the day rather than manual tasks like attendance. This is the start page of my application. In order for this to work, I've used 4 technologies. I use Python as my coding language. I've used MySQL as the database to store my data. I've used AI in order for the application to recognize the faces. And I use AML for the facial recognition training. AI plays a key role in student registration and automated attendance, while AML plays a key role in the facial recognition training. Let me show you student registration. When I click student registration, this is the pop-up. It'll ask you to enroll in the system. You have to give your full name and your grade, as you can see here. Once you do this, it will ask you to register the student and take the photo. The application will take several photos with different light exposures so it can recognize your face with less errors. This is my data file where it stores all the data. As you can see, it's taken multiple pictures for the same person. This is what the pictures look like as they are black and white, and each picture will have different light exposures, as I said, to produce less errors. Once the system takes all the pictures, you have to train the data so the system knows whose name matches with whose picture. As you can see, the button in the middle says facial recognition training. When I click it, it'll start showing everyone's pictures. This is just to train the data, as I said, so the system knows who is who. The last and final step of the process is taking the actual attendance. As you can see, it is the last button here. When I click it, it'll have a pop-up. As you can see, it has recognized my face with the date. To use the system, the school will just have to install cameras in hallways, entrances of classrooms, or entrance to the school. Not only will this help the attendance, but this can also help safety measures at school. The system can recognize unknown faces that may pose as potential safety reasons in our school. They can also track if students have left the building in case of emergency. This allows teachers to bring students to safer areas in quicker times as well. Thank you for listening to my project. Please let me know if you have any improvements or possible updates for this project. Thank you again. Bye!